Good morning, y'all. It's dark 30, and I am tired as all get out. But we are up. Gonna make some breakfast really quickly, and then get the day started. I got an early start this morning, so let's make breakfast and get going. All right, guys. So we have a really busy day. We're gonna head to the gym after we go to Bath and Body Works for the candle sale. I need to get my son's haircut, but we didn't make it because the barber was not there when we pulled up. And we also went to church for a church meeting that night. We stopped by Kohl's to pick up some new sneakers for me. Lots of stuff. My son wanted to make our breakfast, and since we were going to be out all day, he wanted to make a hearty breakfast. So he made some crescents, bacon, and eggs, and he did a good job. So we ate this and ran out the house to get to Bath and Body Works. And y'all, in an upcoming clip, you're gonna see the line was wrapped around the corner, and it was ridiculous. But I needed to pick up some candles. I didn't get as many, but you will see what I picked up in a little bit.
So garlic powder, Himalayan pink salt, and black pepper.
Christian making breakfast this morning allowed me to tidy up a little bit before we headed out because, like I said, we had a full day. We didn't end up getting home until about 9 something on this night, where as usually we're now out from morning until night unless we're going somewhere. We just had so many things to get accomplished. Y'all see this line though? Some people were posting that they didn't have lines and they got extra coupons. I didn't have any extra coupons, but I still needed these candles. This one is new for me, and oh, I love it. Mary cookie is the one that Christian wanted to pick up, so I picked that up for him to burn. This one smelled really good. It's gonna wait until warmer months for sure. And then champagne toast. I don't even know what to say about champagne toast. As you can see, I have a million of them. Some I'm giving away as gifts. I love it. All right, y'all, so I'm here at the dealership getting my oil changed and my tire rotated on my truck. My tires, all four of them. And I just wanted to pop on and say hello. Hi. But I'm tired. I was up early at this candle sale, and I need to go to Kohl's because I got some Kohl's cash on Black Friday. So I need to go pick up something at Kohl's with my $45, and then I need to go to Costco as well. So I'm bringing y'all along. I'm in Kohl's. I'm about to go pick up some stuff. All right, we finished church and ran a couple more errands, and it was like legit 5 hours later. Y'all, about to get some Chick-fil-A. Because we hungry.